Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add blank page in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document in my Google Docs, and if we want to add blank page to our document, we just need to click on enter many times like this. Just keep entering in your document. Okay, and now the blank page has been added to my document, and if you want to add more pages, you just need to keep entering like this. Okay, and now 2 pages have been created, and I'm just going to type in like this. And if we want to move to the previous page, we just need to move it up like this. Okay, then you can also add page break if you want. Just go to the insert and then go to the break, and then you can select page break right here. You can select section break for the next page or section break for continuous page. And I'm just going to select a next page. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add blank page in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.